Some viewers may find the clips in this video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
We're watching Lewis on the hill, right?
Holy
What the fuck?
That was a loaded clip.
Stop.
Oh, damn.
2014.
Oh,
Took that
classic.
long to upload
We
it.
saw this one.
My
Yeah,
favorite.
fuck.
That car instantly changed direction. Forward, then backward.
This truck probably lost 10 miles an hour at most.
Not even. It just kept going.
Oh, man.
If two of those trucks were going the exact same speed and they hit head on, what would happen?
Black hole.
Supernova.
Oh, that's
no.
not
Oh my god.
You don't overtake there.
Oh.
Why are we going so fast?
They
on these
love
fucking
driving on
snowy
salt
roads?
cake at like 100. What effect do they have on this clip? Oh!
Oh my god.
Thank God for the Newman bar.
Oh no, oh no, oh.
I think the people in the blue car are alright.
They're gonna pass
Pass the
away.
bus. You could do it. You have time to pass the bus. Pass the bus. Pass the
Oh,
bus.
turn
You
him,
can do it,
turn him.
no.
Oh.
Oh, they're good.
Nope.
Someone got their fucking face hit by a truck in that bus.
What
Oof.
the fuck?
The 60s weren't good to you, were they?
Dunbar wiling out, bro.
Oh my God!
Oh, I thought that was a human being.
There might have been, but we're not. We're just
No.
gonna pretend that didn't happen.
No.
What are y'all
it
doing?
was
Holy shit, this guy just cleaned everyone out.
He was trying to side draft him, but the quarter came up.
Everybody, this car is low. What?
They're leaving. Oh my
Oh,
God!
Oh.
I love this channel.
That
I'm still
fucking
wrecking.
minivan was not paying attention.
Where are you coming from, buddy?
Oh,
Oh!
Shit.
There's nothing.
these all fatal?
I don't know.
I mean, that one's probably not fatal.
Not that one. Maybe the one that was on the highway.
That probably is.
Get your fuzzy dice out the camera, for Christ's sake.
Oh,
They're literally on the wrong side of the road. No cap.
Oh my God!
That
There
car,
was
they're
supposed
dead.
to be a
They're-
person there.
Like,
Oh no! They took out the logs.
no. Weight shift the logmobile.
Oh,
That's not a lane. And that's no longer a car.
South. Oh my god.
Oh, don't crush them. It
Thanks.
says stop. You're supposed to. Oh!
holy fuck.
This is the guy I just saw outside my house today. That's exactly what he did. Came to the corner going 80. He's like, he ain't making it.
Why do people? Oh, why
It's
do
crazy,
People go
yeah,
fast on streets.
because they're stupid. It's crazy what a car feels like when it's not giving you, traction.
I'm telling
When
you
you
to
start-
turn and you're not turning.
When you're turning the wheel, but you're still going straight.
Oh, look out, buddy.
This is gonna happen to Adam one day when he's going 800 in a school zone.
Holy
Yeah,
shit.
I really do feel like Adam to me, like, he's gonna die before he's 40, either because of, like, high blood pressure or wrapping it around a telephone pole or something, I don't know. Or, like, pointing a gun at someone he shouldn't point a gun
Oh, that car was fine when it left the frame.
at. Tough.
His
Hold the
face
brake,
hit
hold the brake, hold
fucking
the brake.
steering wheel.
Oh. Whoa, that was lucky drivers. Never mind.
Oh.
Damn, he had
Not
no
at the-
airbag in that either.
not
He
at
got
Renault.
wrong.
No, not Nico Hulkenberg's career.
Oh,
I feel like we've seen that corner.
calamity
the
corner.
Oh, man. A creeper.
Gonna run him. Oh! Here's my license plate. Call him in. Oh,
That was so unfortunate. Oh no, this
Again.
What they're targeting?
is that's a targeting penalty.
he's
Yo, is
seeking
that
car.
live footage of fucking what's his name's crash in 1987, Matthew Broderick?
He's going to the woods.
Just hold the brakes there.
He probably ain't got no legs.
He had to maintain social distancing.
Oh my god, they stopped instantly.
Make sure if you crash, you land 6 feet apart.
Uh-oh.
Bump draft coming.
Oh, they're smushed.
Oof.
Honestly, that's probably best case scenario for that right there.
Nap time. Oh,
Fuck.
Oh!
Oh, I guess it's nap time.
Watch his face at the
bro.
steering wheel.
She didn't even brake. She
Every
just
time I
went
see a rear camera, I'm waiting for the head to hit the wheel.
hell yeah, it's Russia
Save it,
Lock.
brother, save it!
He aimed for him.
He's like, my opportunity for insurance.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh, Christ.
How fast are you going in Japan, yo?
Oh,
No, 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 no. God damn it.
that's the rule. If you wreck, you have
Oh,
to
no.
hit as many.
Just like that.
Instead of like you were digging up dirt in Minecraft.
That was incredibly loud.
Nap time.
These people aren't paying attention either, yo.
Oh no, a kid.
Oh no.
Is it still rolling?
Oh,
or
I'm
is this
sorry,
the
going off
camera?
as they're rolling into the fucking woods.
My favorites are when they just cut off.
Oh!
Oh no. Oh, okay.
That was early.
Bruh.
Hello.
I'm
I'm gonna gun it. I'm gonna give it the gun.
Don't take out the slums. Have you never held a steering wheel before?
What is this person doing, dude?
That had to be intent, Rick.
I didn't even know they had police chases in Russia.
Holy
I was
shit,
hoping
we're
to let 'em
hauling the
go.
mail.
Oh, he's gotta be.
He
see
early.
knew
how
he wasn't
police
getting
chase
out
him.
of it. He just killed himself.
I don't know how. Oh no.
What? You were gonna hit that van? Like there was no space for you.
What kind of intersection is that?
You know.
All intersections in Russia are just like 500 square yards of pavement with no lines.
There's their suggestions is all they are.
No lines.
If they were paying attention, they would have.
What are we doing?
People.
People getting impatient.
Oh no.
Oh,
Ow!
Well, there's a guy with 2 cameras just in the nick of time.
Thank you for the multiple angles.
Thanks for the music too. 2013, hell yeah. 2012, we're going back.
You'll
in time.
throw
We're
back
going
to
so
2012.
slow.
Yeah.
This is pre-Hurricane Sandy. We love this.
A milestone.
gay person is yet to cry.
Nice avoidance, buddy. I straight thought they were flying through the air.
I'm telling you, one of these days we're gonna watch a regular crash comp and see a blowover and freak out.
Ooh, that would
I
be
would love to see a
amazing.
blowover on a highway.
They would
It's
have to be
gonna-
going at least 120.
It's gonna be one of those cars that like have the wings and stuff on them because they want to look really cool, and then they spin out and you take off, and you're like, oh fuck.
Bro, that's literally targeting on that last clip.
Bro, that's fucked.
Well, I was just warming up these tires.
Oh,
Oh!
That poor-
It's like when you just drive down the highway and you're like, what stopped me from just turning head on into this traffic?
I love when I got like 3 cars with friends in it. Like there's me and then 2 other cars with friends in it. Like when we were leaving Bristol, there was a point in time where all 3 of us just started swerving on the road. Like in sync, like poop, 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 poop. It's fantastic.
Oh.
There's one where we're stuck behind this guy in a Chevy Trailblazer, literally going 15 miles an hour.
I'm turning.
That's a suicide.
It might be. No, 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 no.
Here
Oh,
comes a homicide.
I don't know.
That's aesthetic.
No.
Oh, my screensaver.
The camera went to heaven.
Oh,
They both zagged instead of zigzag.
the arrow went to Outback. They're alright.
I
How
see him
come all
moving
you-
around in the car.
I see the same exact car. It's like GTA. It's like every clip has one of those cars.
What was that?
That's what it looks like
Tried
in
to play a quick game of chicken, you know?
That's what it looks like in NASCAR Heat when the AI
Yeah,
wreck.
he's good.
He's not even stopping.
I gotta go work.
Fuck those guys. I'm essential.
Katie,
2014 again.
All right, I'm gonna head out. god, he was
Oh.
dying.
He missed like
Oh.
3 of them. He just wanted to crash so bad, and everybody avoided him. It's like fuck.
Player has left the
Like
session.
going backwards in NASCAR heat.
This will be Louis
Oh,
Alhamil in 2021.
All right.
The way to clean the ice off your car.
The middle of Antarctica. Oh, not the Prius. 2012 again, February.
Boy, I can't wait to go to
Blow over,
Antarctica.
blow over, that should have been a blowover.
He would have
Oh.
ramped right there.
Alright, then.
Their head hit the windshield. Their
Oh,
head
yeah,
broke
it
the
did.
windshield.
Fuck.
Man, we're already wrecked.
Look, it's the
Dude,
same
there's
car.
just something so fucking funny about them just cutting off.
Those Ladas have to cost like $60 brand new. Oh!
Can you buy a Lada in the States?
Probably buy one and import it.
Buy it on the dark
Not in
web.
States. What is going on?
I think my throttle's on.
Oh no.
E-brake.
Oh.
They have to be dead, dude. There's no way.
Now they just got moved to the back seat. Oh,
Nice.
Oh my goodness. Oh, they're fine.
he's gonna have to leave the scene of the crime.
Yep, he bowed out.
Oh!
Oh, he.
What kind of road is this?
What the fuck?
Is that a bunch of fish in the back of that truck? That's fish!
Why that guy crashed, dude? He was confused.
Alright. Alright.
Go with the
Y'all
wrong
mind if I
way.
run a red light? Why would...
Alright. He was just. He got
Oh! Oh!
understeer. Oh my god.
Was that guy on the wrong side of the road, or what is?
I think it was.
What was that?
Maybe, yeah.
Was that a car? Oh, it was a trailer.
Yeah. Oh.
It looks like somebody riding the tractor at 80 miles an hour.
That lady was standing right over there when this happened.
How long does this wreck go on?
Oh my. Yep, they're dead.
Of course. Why rear end somebody when you can have a head-on collision?
Yeah. You might as well go for the high score, you know?
Gotta get those burnout wreck points.